Hi everyone, just wanted to kind of give a little bit of insight on the EK21. Actually pretty light for what it is, very similar to, I actually have the all F99 keyboard here as well, which have this very close switches. I liked the fact that I could be able to take this for work and be able to connect it separately, you know, be able to get rid of it whenever I don't need it and be able to just use the keyboard. However, this, I like the customization. You can change which, you know, what keys that these are bound to. I can change the volume knob, or, you know, it could be a volume knob. It can be pretty much anything you had wanted it to be. Zooming, it's very versatile for at work, and just like the keyboards, it has options for, this is your USB dongle to plug it into. You can actually switch it straight to Bluetooth, or you can plug it in via USB-C, and you can actually download from the website the VIA app and be able to customize it all there. Works great, and even whenever I was at work with, you know, VPNs and antivirus software, it all ran seamlessly, and I very much enjoy using it.